Hi, today we're going to work on the Jeep, the XRC winch by Smitty Built. The other day I had to pull out two vehicles. One went very well, it was at night. The second one went to position myself, and this is what happened. I ran over the pendant to control the winch, and the cable ripped right out of the cover for the electrical components that's for the motor. So today I got an idea. Actually, last week I had an idea. Let's just do this wireless. So I went on to eBay, and they actually made a kit that you can buy for about 10 bucks, and it makes your Smitty Built winch, or any winch you could make. If you're good with electrical work, you can easily wire this up, and any winch, or if you have anything you want to make wireless, you could use this module for practically anything you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to take off the cover, remove the bolts to the cover, take the cover off. What I did was I zip tied the winch to the base plate that bolts the relay contactor that switches the motor forward and reverse. I got lucky when that pendant ripped out and it got ran over. While positioning myself in front of the other vehicle, I got lucky and the three connectors to the harness survived. So what I did was I wired in hot in and out. Those can be backwards depending on your unit and how it's wired up. But I just wired the yellow, the white, and the 12 to the existing harness. Then I went ahead, and when I get the new plug for the cover, and so I can still have the option to run the pendant, I just tapped 3 pigtail wires right off the existing harness. So then I can take these 3 wires and hook them to that through the plug and strain relief for the connection on the cover of the winch. So very simple. The red wire here on this off the relay contactor is 12 volt constant. The yellow and the green is in and out, forward and reverse. So if you come off, follow the wires. The black is actually the 12 volt constant, and the yellow and the white are the forward and reverse. And then I added these 3 wires for the pendant. Very simple installation, and so it's pretty cool. I'll show you how it works. As soon as you hook the 12 volt power source to the contactor, you have pretty much instant control. This is the pretty cool fob, really cool fob that it came with. For 15 bucks, you can't beat it. Actually came with 2 fobs. This was one that's got a nice clip for the sun visor above the dash. You can go next to your electric remote for your garage door opener. But you can turn it on and off, which I like that safety feature. So if you turn it on and we go out with it, it'll pull out and in. There's that remote, so you can see with both remotes. And what I'll do is I will go ahead and post all the information on the description box below, and give you the sources on everything I used to make the video and where you can buy the parts. Thanks for watching.